Floods can happen anytime, whether caused by a powerful hurricane, rainstorm, or a sudden flash flood. No matter the cause, preparation is key to mitigate damage and, most importantly, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Here are 5 steps you can take to plan ahead and prepare. Number 1, understand your risk and coverage. Check FEMA maps and understand which risk zone your home is in. Take notice of any rivers, drainage basins, ponds, or other potential threats. Consider coverage even if you're in a low-risk zone. Check to confirm you have flood insurance, as it's not typically provided in a standard homeowner's policy. Review coverage limits, deductibles, building versus contents coverage, and have the information necessary to file a claim. Be aware that National Flood Insurance Program policies do not provide additional living expenses. This means if your home is uninhabitable due to a flood, you will not have coverage to rent a temporary home. Consider a private flood insurer, as they usually provide more robust coverage and generally provide additional living expenses. Number 2, prepare your property. Have wood blocks or other solid items on hand to elevate furniture and other contents within your home. We recommend keeping important or irreplaceable items on the second floor if available. Keep important documents stored in waterproof containers. Have sandbags or flood barriers on hand ready to place and protect entry points. You can also install sump pumps with backup battery power. In the event of a flood, do not ignore evacuation orders, as first responders may not be able to reach you if the storm is worse than anticipated. And before evacuating, turn off your power, as this can prevent a fire. Number 3, create an emergency kit. This kit should include the following items. Number 4, have a communication plan. Create a plan with family and friends. Set up an emergency meeting point and ensure all family members have a list of emergency contacts with addresses. Share information and backup plans with family, neighbors, and friends. Number 5, document everything. Take photos and videos of your property and belongings prior to the storm. Having an inventory of contents prior to the storm can assist you with an insurance claim later. Put together an inventory list of contents on a room-by-room basis and update as needed. Store all your documentation in the cloud or off-site. Having an external hard drive backup is also recommended. By having a plan in place for you, your home, and family, you're taking important steps to mitigate damage to your property and keep everyone safe. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact us. We're here to help.